evening, everyone. Mabuhay, it means long live to all. Tonight, performing groups come from the Philippines. Firstly, we all performed the song that was popularized by the Black Eyed Peas. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Elbrick Nicomedes and company.
Listen up, y'all. Listen close, y'all. Yo, everybody gotta get it. And this is our version. Check it out. Listen closely, y'all. I got a story to tell. A version of my ghetto, my life felt for real. Some call it hell, but to me it was heaven. God give me the grace, amazing ways of living. How would you feel if you had to catch a meal, build a hut to live in, to eat and chill in, and then to pump the water out of the ground? The way we put it down, you realize what is around. Land for farming, river for fishing. Everyone helping each other whenever they can. You're making it happen from nothing to something. That's how we be surviving back in my home. Listen up, y'all. Listen close, y'all. Alright, so I've been back home to my homeland. Let's see what's been going on. Man, it feels good to be back at home. It's been a decade on the journey on the loan. I was 14 when I first left Philippines. I've been away half my life. It felt like a dream to be next to my mom with her home cooked meal, man. I felt complete, my emotions I feel now. Life has changed for me in the U.S., but back at home, man, life was a mess. I guess sometimes our stresses get you down. So brother, wish I could have helped you out. Listen up, y'all.